So it officially looks like the winter season is beginning, and it's a nice balmy 17 degrees out, which isn't exactly cold start weather, but I figure why not give it a good old-fashioned Florida cold start. We got the good old-fashioned bobcat. I meant to put her inside last night, and then I got sick, and I meant to put her inside the night before when, you know, all this fucking snow started falling, but hey, what even is procrastination? Well, she's good. She'll go. Maybe she needs a bit more throttle. Yeah, she'll go. Oh, yeah. Come on, old girl. Oh, there we go. Full-on Floridian cold start. Oh. Oh, yeah. She's fucking recovering, bud. Oh, damn. All right, now that she's had her rip at full, we'll give her about a little bit, give her none. We'll set her, there we go. Now, I meant to throw her in a lower idle earlier, but now she's going. Now she's a bit happier. Not the happiest, but a bit happier. Well, listen, it's 17 fucking degrees out. I ain't happy neither. So I don't give much of a fuck. Oh, fucking thing. Fuck yeah. Mint.